capital analysis and the forecasting. So we approaching week 49 and we're going to start our December next week. Hopefully you guys well and still in trading space. So we will forecast our top pair and wildcard for this week. So we will have 6 top pair and 3 wildcard. Hopefully you guys forecast by your own and comparing the trend line, whatever you want to compare with my forecasting is fine. But remember, try to develop your own routine and your own forecasting so you will be the independent trader. So we have our pair, which is we start with USD CHF. USD CHF, we start in high time frame. In high time frame, price already in descending channel and break this ascending channel. Sorry, break this descending channel and want to create a flag in this area. So understand that this will be a buy setup. However, in lower time frame, we want to see price start developing a flag which is quite a slight ascending channel. So what I'm looking for is I'm going to set a sell setup first before I'm going for buy setup for long term. And this will be the setup I'm looking for is one touch, second touch, and I set my double top from here. Price might be going to go down one more time and move to the upside and sell this setup, or price going to move to third touch and sell from here. So there will be two possibilities. However, I will stay with my plan and set the setup if price move to downside and continue with bigger correction. You can see this is bigger correction, so it will be good if price move to the upside. We see how the price develop. Either we sell from this, either we buy from this area. If let's say price move to this area, it's 90% rules, or we move to buy position. Let's see how the price develop and I will execute based on my plan. Next we move to AUD USD, second pair. AUD USD, we can see price already at a bigger bull flag. In bigger bull flag, we can see price might be moved to the upside and go to 90% rules. Is moved to the high side. It's about 720 pips. Quite a clean structure because price coming from this big impulse in high time frame. In lower time frame, you can see price at a bigger bull flag. However, in lower time frame, in 1 hour, what I'm looking for is I'm going to sell this setup first at this double top. So price quite rising wedge from here. I set my position above this structure, touch this area and sell to the downside. You see how the price develop. I will wait for candlestick formation for confirmation and sell the setup. Next we move to CAD CHF. CAD CHF in high time frame, we can see price at the symmetrical triangle, price squeeze in this area. In 1 hour, price quite clean, symmetrical triangle, approaching this third touch in 1 hour time frame. Price quite a corrective phase, and what I expect the price to move to the upside and touch this area. At the touch, wait for any candlestick formation or just wait for next flag for reduce risk entry and move to the downside. So this will be the setup. I'm not going to be aggressive in this pair because it quite the flag and the correction quite a big, and you can see the from the previous day the correction, this kind of flag expanding, this correction, if price move to like this, and I will wait to lock profit based on the flag. So next we move to fourth pair is Euro USD. Euro USD, you can see price almost break the structure. However, you can see this is quite a symmetrical triangle. However, price create one small up from here in daily time frame. Price create one nice up. You can say this is one scoop. That's what I call it. It's a scoop, so easy to remember. So in 1 hour time frame, price already break the structure. What I'm looking for this pair is something that we do many times for the past few months. We will price to impulse down. If price pull back, create any flag, tight flag, we sell this setup. And move to the downside. So there will be sell setup for Euro USD. Next we move to Euro GBP. Euro GBP in high time frame. As you can see, price at the middle of structure. In daily time frame, you can see this is quite a corrective descending channel in 1 hour time frame. If we study the descending channel, this will be first touch, second touch, and we approaching this third touch and pull back. Zoom in. Price might be not to touch this area one more time. If price touch this area one more time, I will wait for candlestick formation. If price move to the upside with impulsive phase, I just wait for pullback. Any correction in flag in 15 minutes, set my entry within the structure and sell to the downside. Alright, this will be the setup for this pair. Clean structure, price pullback in the third touch. Final pair for top pair is USD CHF. USD CHF in high time frame. You can see price at bull flag. You can say this is larger bull flag because it's high time frame. In lower time frame, you can see what I'm looking for is buy setup, move to the upside. So in lower time frame, if we calculate how many pips move to the downside is about 51 pips. Price approaching this double bottom. Set move to the upside. This will be the setup and impulse to the upside. This will be buy setup for short term. You see the price move within the structure, quite a good strategy. Next we move to our final, it's a wild card. We got 3 wild card. So first wild card will be CAD JPY in high time frame, CAD JPY in descending channel, bigger descending channel. In 1 hour, what we're looking for is move to the upside. It's about 200 pips, quite a long journey. Price not going to move straight. Will be create any correction. Looking for ascending channel and sell to the downside. If the ascending channel is a good indicator. Price approaching this area. I will wait more price to move to the downside. sell setup. That's all for this week. Sorry, that's all for this pair, and we move to another pair. Another pair will be Euro Canadian dollar. Euro Canadian dollar, we can see price in the middle of structure. Middle of structure, we can see in 4 hour. You can see it is a quite a descending China approaching move to downside. In 1 hour, you can see price and move to the downside. We can see the price quite a clean structure because descending China, quite a parallel descending China. If price break another touch at one touch, second touch, fourth touch, we wait for setup move to downside. You can see it's about 97 pips more to the upside for us to make a sell setup. Final pair will be Euro JPY. Euro JPY, you can see price trickle triangle is ascending China. In ascending China, we see the price approaching move to the upside in how many more pips. If you calculate more move to the outside, we can estimate the target is about 200-300 pips. If price move to the outside, we wait for any ascending China and price approaching this area. Wait for candlestick formation and sell the setup move to the downside. Okay, guys, there will be the final forecast for this week. And that's all. We're going to approaching December. We got 4 more weeks to 2021. It will be exciting years. Hopefully, you guys stay in place, keep trading, stay as much longer as you can because this is going to be a very hard journey. You're going to encounter many losses before you profit. You're going to have many challenges before you profit. So keep your mindset in place. Find the reason why you started this. The first day you start, find the reason why if you think about to give up because this is quite a tough journey if you tell me. For me, it's a very tough journey because so many challenges, so many false information about forex in the community, so this will be quite a journey for me to have at this level. Hopefully you guys stay strong and keep trading and keep forecasting, testing, and keep your routine in place. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram. Goodbye.